All right, here we go. Seth, I got a new challenge.
Okay.
And once again, I'm staring at the camera talking to Seth.
You get used to it.
Hey, Seth, I have a new challenge.
Oh, do you?
This one's actually from Ryan,
Okay.
a friend of mine. We were coming up with some new challenges, and he's like, you know what you need to do is, it's very important, because this is obviously coming to us soon, which is we have to fight off an army of armored AI robots.
Oh, that's fair.
Yeah, you've seen that coming,
I
right?
see where the concern is.
Yes, exactly. And so he said, but you got to do it with medieval weapons from made from Home Depot parts in under 30 minutes.
Oh. Well, I do like working with some constraints.
And so a Warhammer, medieval Warhammer. So he sent me a video.
So when were Warhammers used? Well, the answer's throughout all of history, but they got really popular around the 14th and 15th century. So blunt weapons have been used throughout all of human history. Most notably clubs, maces, and other types of things, as they were extremely simple to make and effective. After all, it could be equally as effective to break an enemy versus cut them.
Right.
But one of the key reasons for the return of blunt weapons like the Warhammer was the development of armor from ring mail into plate mail. As
Okay.
metallurgy in Europe became far more advanced, this led to the creation of armor that could resist a sword slash or a spear thrust. So the solution was to go old
check
school.
out that hammer.
So Warhammers were typically equipped with two parts.
Okay. So it looks, first of all, just looks like a stick,
Beak, on the other hand, was more designed to pierce.
but then it also has a sharp beak on one side, I guess that's what you would call it, a pointy bit. And the other side is it's kind of like a hammerhead, but it's got some points to it, but in the end, it's going to be mostly for blunt force. And it looks like maybe there's a strap that's also holding it to the handle, just so it doesn't come flying off.
So Warhammers were typically equipped with two parts, a face and a beak. The face, when
Face and a
swung,
beak.
would be used to crush armor. The beak, on the other hand, was more designed to pierce. Unlike a sword whose weight was primarily spread around the hilt towards the mid of the blade, all of a Warhammer's force could be concentrated here at the tip.
Oh, look at that one. Oh, check out that one. Oh, gosh.
Towards the mid of the blade, all of a Warhammer's...
So that one actually has a spike on the end, too. We'll try to show it on screen somewhere here. So I think we get it. So we need to create a hammer, a Warhammer, from hardware store parts in under 30 minutes.
Okay.
My guess is we should probably just head to the hardware store and look around.
Yeah, there's always inspiration on the shelves.
There's got to be. I guess let's start the timer. Should we start the timer now? I guess we need to set better rules around what the 30
We should
minutes
set
is.
some boundaries a little better. One hardware store visit.
Okay.
And then 30 minutes.
And the 30 minutes.
And the 30 minutes.
Okay, yeah, but we can't also spend like 6 days in a hardware store
Well, yeah.
developing it.
Yeah, no camping.
Okay. But either way, the build part's got to definitely be under 30 minutes. We're going to do something in 30 minutes.
Oh,
Also, I guess there should be a rule of like, we don't just buy an axe while we're there.
yeah.
We can't buy the thing that is actually what the thing is.
Well, hopefully, we're going to get an improved version of what we
improved
could buy. An
version.
improved, you know.
It's got to be something good, because if we're going to take down a whole army of robot AI armored things.
It's true, I haven't seen that on the shelf anywhere.
Yeah, this will be a unique creation specifically designed for this task. All right, Ryan, we're on it. I guess start the time. Do we start the timer? Let's start the timer for effect, and then immediately pause it and go to the store. And it started. Oh, check that out. Look.
The pressure's on now.
Yeah, look how cool this thing is. Yeah. They're definitely sending somebody after us when they see that. When they see this, somebody's on the way.
Yeah.
All right, now we're going to pause it. All right, so we're in the hardware store, and I was thinking we could go with a pre-made stick. That's not bad. $20. That could work. Also, we could use like a little bigger one, maybe. That's a pretty big hammer. Oh God! Let me flip. So we got a couple options there. I think I still want to walk around the store to see if we can come up with another idea. I think that'd be fine, but I think I got another idea. We're gonna go look for it. I think I found our Warhammer. Look at that thing. Oh, I don't even think I could swing that thing. How many pounds is that? That thing is huge. 10 pounds? Yeah. That's nuts. Doesn't qualify. Oh, God.
That is cheating.
But it's cool, though. Whew.
Can you? That's not 10.
I know, it feels very heavy. Oh, my God. I'm going to go to the doctor.
Yeah. No,
It's heavy.
that's too much.
Yeah, too much.
Too much water.
All right, Seth, you ready for my brilliant idea?
I'm ready.
All right, so we use 1/2-inch pipe. So black pipe. Yes, 3/4 inch.
Steel.
I'm thinking we do this right here. You see that threaded bit? We thread on a T on there, and then I'll show you the head part in a little bit. But I think that's our handle.
That should do it.
Yes, you do it. Here, hold that for a minute. So now what we need is a T, so a 3/4 inch T. So that guy right there. So now this is going to go on the end of this right here. And then all we need to do is figure out our beak and, what do you call it? Beak and...
Face and beak.
Face and beak? Yeah.
Okay.
Face and beak?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A bird butt and beak? Yeah, whatever it is. All right, so here's what I'm thinking. We come and we get some of these big old long bolts like this. Okay. We run it through here. Yeah. And then we put some washers and nuts to fill that whole space to give us the hammer. And then we do the same thing on this side, except then we file this down into a point. And I think there's our iron hammer.
I approve.
Yep, I think that's it. So we're gonna now get some nuts and washers. Washers. That's how you say it is, washers. We're back with parts.
We are.
And I think it's time to turn on the timer. Although it probably should have been running. I don't know. We got to figure out this whole timing thing.
Yeah.
How we're gonna have to do this.
It's got to be long.
But yes. Yeah. So we're at the hardware store. We've picked out a bunch of parts to build our Warhammer. That we must defeat the AI robots that are fully armored. So I decided to go with a metal pipe. I kind of thought that it was more dope and possibly easier. So here is my rationale and thinking. Oh God. We turn this into our beak and our butt. That's what he said, right? Butt? Yep. Beak and butt of the hammer. And we run it through this. So let's actually just go ahead and get this going here. Oh God. Here, you thread that. I'm gonna get some other parts going. So this is a 3/4 inch pipe and a 3/4 inch T. And then we have 3/4 inch to 1/2 inch reducers to make it where our bolt that runs through it doesn't wobble around quite as much. It'll still be a little bit wobbly, but we got apocalypse coming, man. We don't got a whole lot of time. Good enough for now?
I think so.
Okay. So now we need to thread these guys on.
Ooh,
We
I
probably.
like them.
Oh yeah, you like that?
I do. It adds a certain special something.
What do you think? Good? And then a whole bunch of whooshers. Good enough? Oh, God. So this is a 5/8 by 10 inch. Yeah, 10 inch, right? 10
Yes,
inch, yeah.
10.
5/8 by 10 inch bolt, galvanized. So I think what we need to do, let's do a little test. Oh yeah, check that out. Okay, so let's put on a whole bunch of these. So these are really going to help with our weight and also give some of the hammer head. What do you think?
Save a few for counterbalance.
Yeah.
Oh, that is substantial.
How much thread do we have there? Maybe we'll use a few less. Oh yeah, right there. What do you think?
Fair amount of claw, okay.
What do you think? Is that enough hammer on that side? It's coming out a little bit further on this side, so it's not exactly even, but I think that's kind of what we'd want anyways.
I think so.
I think so, yeah. Okay, so now let's turn that one like this. Let's run, I'm thinking we run, what do you think, a couple washers on this side?
Yeah, it wouldn't hurt.
So all those extras we bought, we don't need those.
Oh, well. We can play a fun game with them later.
Okay, what do you think? And then run these on there? Let's see how far these will go up. I kind of want it to have a pretty good shank that, you know?
Yeah, if you're
Kind
gonna
of a
pierce, I mean,
sharp part. Maybe we just do like, let's see. Oh, that already is noise. Ooh, maybe we just do the one. That way we got a good piercing piece. I kind of like that. What do you think? Didn't need all these. Okay, so what we need to do now, is it beefy? Oh, that actually feels all right. Okay, so do we want to go ahead and tighten it down and then sand everything? Because what we need to do is put this in a grinder and just make this a kind of a pointy tip. Or do we want to just take the bolt out and that way it's easier to manipulate in the grinder?
it would be way easier to manipulate in the grinder.
All right, well, let's do that. It's pretty fast to do this. Oh, we still got to be able to get the nut on this one. So
Oh, yeah.
yeah, let's leave the
Run
nut
it
on.
down behind it so we can.
Woo! I was
real
close.
close.
I was close, everybody.
That's the sort of thing where 30 minutes gets really
7
short.
minutes, 8 minutes. Gosh, dang it. All right. Yeah. All right, spin it. Yeah. That's a weird sound. All right.
I was making that chair.
So we're at 20 minutes now.
Oh,
I thought this was going to be a 3-minute one, and then
Yeah,
that was
yeah, and
20 minutes in.
well,
Okay.
the price you pay for
Okay.
a good sharpened tip.
All right. So now we need a fat stack of washers. Okay. You think all of them? Got a case of the Duns. What do you think? One more won't hurt?
It's adjustable.
Yeah. We'll assume the robot organs are near the surface. All right, you want to give her a little bit of a tighten from the top? All right. Wow, that looks nasty.
That's pretty good.
Here, hold it right quick and let me get a shot with the camera. All right. Yeah. Yep, that is awesome. Oh, oh God. Yeah, hold it up like you're menacing, like you're gonna. Wait, I'm not in focus. Yeah, there you go. Yep, nope, that's scary.
Feels good too.
Does it? All right. So now all we need is AI robot invasion. So I guess we just need to wait for the next robot invasion. What's that? What's that happening outside? Oh my God, are the robots here? Oh God. Ooh, we need a thing. Oh, ooh, ooh. Okay. I'm a little bit more scared all of a sudden.
Yeah.
After I was holding it.
Yeah.
Yep. Oh, look, Seth. The AI is here.
Turns out totally helpful.
Yeah, absolutely. Hey, you're not here to dominate us, are you? Oh, look, everybody, look. Look how nice the AI is.
It's super friendly.
Ryan said we'd be attacked by AI armored robots, and this one looks super nice. Let's think of another question.
Hey, little buddy, could you help me with my taxes?
Look.
See there?
AI, okay. What about, hey, can you turn off updates?
No, die human.
Ooh, oh, no. All right, here we go. Okay, armor defeated. Well, let's just see the damage. Grab that hammer for me. Oh, wow, okay. So it went right through that metal and into the other metal plate behind it. Okay, yeah.
Wow.
Okay, so yeah, how's it look on that side?
There's AI blood on it.
A little bit of AI machinery blood. Okay, so first test of going through AI armor, successful with the hammer. Seth, would you like to take a swing at it?
I mean, it's the only way to know. Why does it say paper jam when there is no paper jam?
Oh, yep. That looked like it felt good. Yeah, we definitely smashed the top pretty good.
Yeah.
Woo, warped the case and everything.
Ooh. Those old CD-ROMs, though, you just can't.
You just can't beat those guys. Okay. So do you want to give it a good stabarooski? Oh, you want to see if we can go through the motherboard on this side?
Ooh, going in for the kill.
Yep, give her a swing. Sorry, AI, your time has come. No. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Wow. Okay. Ooh. Wow.
Ooh, straight through the armor.
Straight through the armor.
And zero damage.
Zero damage on that, and straight through, there's another piece in there, and straight through the motherboard. Let's see if we can take this off.
I got away.
Okay.
Let me go through.
Oh, right here.
Right in the processor?
Oh yeah, it just knocked the whole motherboard. Oh look, it knocked the processor loose. The fan.
The AI just couldn't keep its cool.
There you go. That's the finish. The AI couldn't keep its cool. See, we're ready for the AI apocalypse.
I believe we are. We are, in fact, ready.
All right. Challenge completed. Challenge successful. What do we say nowadays? We have hammered the competition.
Ooh. Well, we certainly managed to bang another one out.
That's actually pretty fun.
Yeah, it really is.
All right, well, we're going to continue smashing. So
Yeah.
hugs and kisses.
Some bonus crushing.